Hi friends! Don't forget to stop and smell the roses. The sky's the limit and there's always a silver lining to every cloud. Spring is upon us, so it's time to renew and refresh. If we have not met yet, my name is Diana from Rice Kitty Nails, and my favorite thing about the springtime is seeing the pretty rainbows. Today's video, I'll be showing you how to create this spring-inspired vertical ombre nail design using the Seaweed Gel's newest Spring 2021 collection called Everything's Peachy. This brand new collection is available in 3-step gel polish and 3-vial nail lacquer. The Everything's Peachy collection consists of 8 cheerful pastel jewel tones. 7 of them are in a creamy solid finish, and 1 is a see-through sheer finish.
Let's take a closer look at the beautiful new colors. This is 1033 Choose Happy, a soft gray purple. 1034 On the Bright Side, a pastel periwinkle purple. 1035 Happy Go Lucky, a bright pastel mint green. 1036 Don't Be Blue, a soft sky blue. 1037 Think Pink Thoughts, a bright taffy pink. 1038 Cheer Up Buttercup, a warm rose pink. 1039 Everything's Peachy, a bright pastel peach. 1040 Be the Light, a soft clouded white. Don't you love them? Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Now we will see these colors in action as I show you how to create the vertical ombre. To create the vertical ombre look, you will need the following Seaweed Gel products: upgraded base 1 gel polish, upgraded no wipe top gel polish, Everything's Peachy 3-step color gel polish collection 1033 to 1040, lint-free wipes, and a U-Light Pro 6 lamp. And don't forget, 70% alcohol and a cleanup brush. Step 1. Start by painting your nails with the BSG Stronger Base 1 gel polish and cure for 30 seconds in the U-Light Pro 6 lamp. Now to the fun, colorful part. Paint half your nails with our first color, 1033 Choose Happy. Then paint the other half of your nail with our second color, 1034 On the Bright Side. It's okay if the color touches a little bit, but make sure that there's a small space in between the two colors. Next, keeping a lint-free wipe close, remove the excess gel polish from the gel brush, and we will use this brush to blend the two colors together to create our ombre. Pro tip: make sure to clean the excess product on the brush to avoid contamination when you place your brush back into the bottle. Next, start to blend the two colors from the center with a light hand. Keep blending with light stroke around the center of the nail until you have a nice and even ombre. Don't worry if your ombre is not perfectly blended yet. We will be doing a second layer. Once you're happy with your first layer, cure for 60 seconds in the U-Light Pro 6 lamp. Step 2. After curing, apply both 1033 Choose Happy and 1034 On the Bright Side, again on each half of your nail. Repeat the blending steps and don't forget to wipe off the excess gel in between. Cure for 60 seconds. Once the second coat is finished curing, it's up to your discretion whether you would like to repeat for more opaque and blended look. Step 3. Now that you know how to create the vertical ombre design, you will repeat these steps on each fingernail but with a different color pairing from the collection. I will now continue doing each nail for you so that you can watch and see how the design looks when it's all done on all of my nails. A tip for any ombre nails, I typically refer to a color wheel for best color pairing recommendations. Try choosing colors that are next to each other. For example, blue and green. When blended together, it creates a blue-green color. Try to avoid picking colors that are opposite from each other, or else when blended together, it will look muted or brown. We're lucky here because Everything's Peachy's collection has colors that perfectly pair well with each other. my vertical ombre design, almost complete. Once you're happy with the blend and opaqueness of your ombre, seal in your design with one final coat of BSG upgraded no wipe top gel polish. Cure for a final 60 seconds. Bonus tip: for a super fun look, if you like, you could always apply a Sammy sheer glitter over this ombre to make it sparkle. Here is our final look!
We hope you enjoyed this vertical ombre and nail design with the newest BSG Spring 2021 collection, Everything's Peachy. Comment down below letting us know which nail design you'd like to see from us next. Make sure to follow me, Bryce Kitty Nails, and Bio Seaweed Gel. Don't forget to smile. Happiness looks so gorgeous on you. See you next time, friends. Bye!